After yesterday's week closing, is Nifty going to do a neutral or a bearish start again? So let's look at market levels. Welcome to Trading Footprints, and this is pre-market pulse. We'll begin with global data. In the pre-market session, GIFT Nifty is down 66 points, which means market is again weak today. And looking at the chart level for GIFT Nifty, we have broken the upper level support and now we are heading towards our 20-day moving average support, which is around close to 25,000. So market will go over there, and from there we should see some support or some base happening. Looking at FIs and DIIs, it's a negative sentiment because yesterday FIs, as I mentioned, will end up selling a higher amount, and though we had buying from DII side, but overall it's a negative sentiment. Currency was majorly weak, so it's a negative sentiment for us. India VIX was almost flat. There was minor uptick of 0.5 percentage, but we'll keep this as flat or neutral. US market closed lower today. Oil is trading higher and gold is trading lower. So overall, from global and commodity side, we are getting neutral sentiment. There was some strength in the US market in the early session hours, but after that, as we reached towards a session closing, we saw profit booking happening, and because of that, US market closed lower. Looking at the sector performance for US, energy and real estate were the top performing one, whereas technology and consumer discretionary were the worst performing one. Overall, this looks like a sector rotation because yesterday it was opposite of that, and we had energy in the downside of it. Looking at market levels for India, Nifty's current price is 25,169. Immediate support is or resistance is going to be 25,320. Initial support 24,980, and second support, which is a major support level, 24,850. So looking at all the market sentiment and the global indications, right, we are going to have a slightly weakness today because if you look at the chart level also for a Nifty, we have broken that upper level support that we had, and now, as I mentioned, we are going towards the 25,000 level. From there, we should see some support or base happening, but for time being, we'll see some negative sentiment or a bearish outlook in the market. And until we are reaching that 25,000 level, there will be some consolidation as well happening in the market. So make sure you follow stock specific action, you book your profits whenever you can, and make sure to follow your trading rules as well. And the most important thing is you follow trading footprints. I'll catch you